Look, I bought it out like stunner. I hope when we kiss we make you sick to your stomach. Stuntin' like my daddy and your mama eat rubbers. I bet that I can do the mouth to mouth with your woman. My house is a dungeon. Yellow diamond ring looking like a little funyun. Staying on my toes, you can call me Paul Bunyan. Switching up my flows like a nigga do construction. The microphone wet, come my words like seduction. And when we on the jet, you don't come up in a discussion. And if you say you're ballin', we probably don't trust you. And I know plenty freakin' hoes that probably won't fuck you. Even if you're paying, boy, they probably won't fuck you. Only if I say that she can touch you like Buster, but she might cut you and burn you like Usher. Me and my clique being red like Russia. I shit these rappers out and sometimes I forget to flush ya. Granddaddy perf R, Bubba Kush crusher. Explode in a bitch mouth like a gusher. Cash money, young money, check the production. I am just a Martian, get prepared for abduction.
Don't you worry, don't you worry about a thing. Don't worry about a thing. Don't you worry, don't you worry about a thing. Don't you worry about a thing.
All she cares about is money in the city where she's from. Her intention is a paper, she don't need no fucking love. She's selling all this liquor, trying to pass me all these ups. Well, baby girl, I'm phoning. Somebody should've told her I popped one. Forget I popped one. Oh, girl, I want one. Forget I popped one. I popped one. Girl, I'm lying, I'm on a few. Don't you worry, this ain't you. Can we take this to your spot? I'm on a fiction number 2, cause I popped one. Oh, forget I popped one. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah, oh, yeah, oh, yeah, oh, yeah. Let's shoot. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah, oh, yeah, oh, yeah, oh, yeah. Do you know what's going on over here?
I do.
Have you even bothered to look?
I did. Oh, I did.
Well, if you know, then let me know. We don't gotta be running in these circles. In these circles, no more. Dress the shoes,